Hello guys. This video is about the budget and yet full of advanced featured car dashcam 70mi Pro++. Let's quickly and thoroughly review this product from 70mi for you to take an informed decision whether to go for it or not. The 1944 HD recording is claimed to be good enough to capture the license plate, road signs and other critical road details. The dual-channel recording to provide all-round protection. The dashcam has been equipped with Sony IMX335 image sensor, making it an extraordinary camera for your recording. The 3D DNR and WDR technology significantly improves the image clarity. It has built-in ADAS to warn you of safety problems like lane departure and forward collision. It has built-in GPS. The Android and iOS app allows you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. And last but not the least, when your memory card reaches full, it will automatically overwrite the older footage. Now let's quickly unbox it. The box contains dashcam with inbuilt GPS, RC06 rear camera, dual USB car charger, 3.5 meters long micro USB cable, pry tool, electrostatic sticker, spare 3M heat resistant stickers, mounting bracket, rear camera connecting cable, and user manual. Here's how it has been installed in a car. Here is the front camera. And here's the rear one. The camera is being powered from the cigarette lighter. And finally, here are some footage directly downloaded from the camera for you guys to check out the video quality at various conditions. This footage is from a sunny morning. And this one is from a moderate to high rain condition. Also check out this night footage. Let me know in the comments if you need another video on features like product menu walkthrough, ADAS calibration, app walkthrough, etc. Thank you for watching.